Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make these beautiful flower sticks using yarn. So take this straw and roll this thread on the top of it. Now paste double-sided tape and remove it. After this, we're going to roll it on this green stick. Cut leaves as well and combine both of them together using floral tape. Let's make beautiful flowers using straw. So we are going to make small pieces of the straw, cut them and make the flower petals. Now make hole on each petal and we're going to put them all in this wire. Bend the wire and look, a flower is ready. We're also making a mini flower for the center. So make multiple cut and put it at the center and look, your colorful flowers are ready. We're going to use this pink ribbon and make a beautiful flower out of it. So we're going to make small pieces of the ribbon and paste it on the top of double-sided tape. Remove the thread. Now we are going to roll the ribbon on this green stick. Roll it like we're doing here. Now cut this straw. We are going to make the leaves of the flower. So cut it and combine all of them together on the stick using floral tape, and look, your flower stick is ready. We are going to take this small piece of ribbon. Now we are going to sew all of them using thread and needle and tie a knot using the thread. Now open all the petals and paste this green stick at the center using hot glue gun. Cut this green straw and make the leaves of the flower. Cut it, bend it and combine all of them together on the stick, and look, it is ready. We're going to use this dry grape stem. So cut this fruit foam net, roll it and tie a thread. Now we're going to cut it and make pom-pom ball out of it. Cut it using scissors and paste all of them on this dry grape stem using hot glue gun, and look, it is ready. You can use it as decor piece at your home. We're going to use these red color of straw and make a beautiful decor piece. So make small pieces of the straw, cut all of them. We're also making multiple cut from its top and bottom. Press it and you will get this shape. After this, we're going to bend all of them. Now make multiple cut and combine all of them together on this green stick. Cover it using floral tape. Make more such pieces and look, it is ready. We're going to use these golden beads and make beautiful decor piece. So we're going to tie a knot on these wire and make more such pieces. Combine all of them using this brown floral tape on this green stick. Put all the beads using the wire one after another and you will get this stick. You can make beautiful decor pieces using this wire and beads. Here we're going to put the bead inside the wire, bend it, tie a knot. We are going to roll it like this and look, you'll get this beautiful red bead stick. Now we are going to combine all of these bead sticks on this green color of stick using brown floral tape. Combine this and make more such flower sticks, and look, your decor piece is ready. Look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.